What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be replacing the throttle cable on my go-kart. So a couple videos ago, our throttle cable pulled out. So it had a barrel nut that was on the end, and it was just slid through this locking collar that's on this rod that is attached to the pedal. I ordered a throttle cable that should hopefully run down the whole length of the go-kart. It'll just attach to this tab here that's already there, and then it'll just bolt directly to the throttle. So that should just pull right out like that. Then I'll cut these cable ties later, don't worry, people. So now all I have to do is undo that barrel nut, loosen that bolt up, and I should just pull this whole thing out. I'm going to take off this air filter so it's out of my way. Take that whole... Okay, so I have this whole piece of junk cable out now, so now it's time to take this stupid rod out. Okay, so now the whole thing just comes out. Slide out the end there. Okay. That should just slide right out. And then the rest of that. Now that's all out. Now all I can do is wait for the new throttle cable to come in the mail. My throttle cable's here. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's now a new day, and I have the throttle cable that just came in the mail. So we're gonna be putting that on today. I got my knife here. So, that's pretty nice. I can keep that. Seems pretty nice. I think that's gonna work. It has these screws here. One off. So that worked out pretty nice. I'll find a bolt that can fit in there, and I'll just go onto that pedal there. So now you need to come around back here. It needs to slide up on there, and I just need to barrel nut it. Now we can take this thing off because it's going to be in our way. Okay, there we go. Nice slide. Just a little big. I have to get like a drill bit or something and just drill that out real quick. Okay. I think I'm gonna put like a protector or something like that to keep this cable from getting cut. And I don't know if you can tell there, but I just wrapped electrical tape around that. So I got the new throttle cable in, and that works and looks a lot better than just that metal bar that was there. It's got perfectly full throttle, and I didn't really have to do that much adjustment. So next, let's take it on a test drive. Yo, so that go-kart ran amazing. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure you check out this video here if you want to see how the go-kart throttle cable kind of got broken anyway.